Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all the fellow humans who are with us on this journey of exploring the beautiful attributes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today we are diving into Al-Basir. Al-Basir is the one who is all-seeing. He sees all that has passed, all there is, and all that will be until the end of the time, from before the time when he moved the sea of nothingness in Aalam al-Lahut until after doomsday and the last judgment. He has also given to his creatures the ability to behold his creation. Some of his creatures see shapes and colors and movements better than people do. Human perception is limited and registering only pre-existing objects at a certain distance and can differentiate those objects only when the eye or the object moves and changes. The eyes are incapable of seeing what is under the surface. The least we can do is to believe that these eyes are given to us to observe the universe around us as signs and attributes of our Creator and take a lesson from what we see. Someone asked Sayyidina Isa alayhi salam, Jesus alayhi salam, could anyone among us be like you? And he answered, whoever speaks only what God makes him say. Whoever, when silent, is only silent in remembrance of God, and whoever, when he looks at the things, know that what he sees is not God, but from God, and learns and takes a lesson from what he sees, is like me. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has also given us an eye of the heart for seeing deeper things than our ordinary eyes can see. An inner eye to see the inner man. That eye is called the Basira. Although we cannot see Allah, only He can see Himself. With the Basira, we can see ourselves. In doing so, we will know that though we cannot see Him, He is looking at us, seeing not only what is on the outside of us, but what is in our minds and in our hearts. He who sees himself and knows himself knows that Allah sees him. When you are in front of someone whom you respect and fear, you behave properly with good conduct. You stand respectfully. You watch what you do and what you say. Yet that person can only see your outside. Your respect and fear of him depend only on your temporal worldly interest and concern. The one who has created you and those who came before you, the one who truly controls your life, sustains you, loves you, protects you, has mercy on you, is with you night and day, the one on whom your life depends for eternity in the hereafter, he is the closer to you than your jugular vein. He has also told you clearly through his prophets and in his holy books what he wishes you to do, how he wishes you to behave, to the minutest details. Yet, right in front of his eyes, you do not hesitate to perform the most shameful and careless acts without respect or fear. Is it because you do not see him that you believe that Allah al-Basir cannot see you? If an intended action is not selfish but for God's sake, then if one recites Ya Allah Ya Basir 100 times before Jummah prayer, Allah will treat one with His compassion and grant success in the intended act and opens the heart's eye will not only give him the sight but the wisdom, the basira also. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala strengthens our vision and our insight and grant us with the basira to see ourselves. Assalamu alaikum.